welcome back to Makeup Masters Free app. If you haven't joined me before, my name is Naomi and I'm a makeup artist. This is a look on one of my beautiful clients, Phoebe Jones. She kindly let me film. It's obviously half skull and half nice glamorous look, so I really enjoyed doing it because I think it introduces those Halloween elements without being too gory or scary. I'm using Fling Eyebrow Pencil from MAC because it's really fine and it's not too dark. You can kind of sketch it out. It's a bit like using a pencil on the face then, and it's quite nice and firm, so easy to get a little bit more detail. For the white, I'm using MAC Chroma Cake and I'm buffing it on just a thin amount. I've mixed the Chroma Cake with a bit of the Fix Plus spray from MAC. Now, making the mixture a little bit thicker, I'm going to use that Chroma Cake just to paint on the details and do the highlights, painting in the teeth and really getting those high points so it looks more like a chiseled three-dimensional skull. At this point, you really want to pull out the details by shading with a black. There's a few different ways of doing it. You could just use a gel-based eyeliner like the Maybelline one. I think I actually used the MAC black acrylic paint for it. I'm blending it with a black eyeshadow. This one's from Makeup Geek called Corrupt. You just want to go back to all of the bits that would be shaded, and you can use a mixture of black and then add a little bit of grey to it just so it's not too flat. I use the MAC eyeshadow in Scene, I believe, to shade it, but any cool shade grey will work well. Here I'm adding a little bit more fine detail to the face with a fine brush and the MAC acrylic paint in black. Going back to the beauty element of the face, because of course you want that to look ultra glam. I used Phoebe's Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick. I think it was called Rain, that one. If you want any more details or to contact me, a good way is through my Instagram. That's naomi.m.makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've downloaded the Makeup Masters free app, thank you. That is available, if you haven't, at the Apple store, so you just need to type in Makeup Masters and that'll be there, and it'll have a full list of the products used. Thank you, see you soon, bye!